Okay guys, ever wanted a fun, dynamic way to showcase your top collections in one scrollable row? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely eye-catching. Today we're adding this collections list section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 8. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section. Type SK Shop Collections and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Click on any card and add whichever collection you want to show here. I'll turn its title on too. You can turn it off if you prefer. You'll add your own top collections one by one this same way. This is a partner account, so it doesn't have too many collections available right now, but the process stays the same either way. Once you're done, close this and open the section's main settings. First, I'll change the heading to Shop Winter Collection, matching my own collections. Let's scroll down a bit more and change the button's heading too to Shop All Shoes. And I'll also add a special product or collection that's a bestseller in my store. Next comes the colors. The section's background color already looks good, so I'll set the rest based on my own preference and change the heading color to blue. Lastly, there's a top and bottom margin option. I'll set both of these to 16. And honestly, that's really all it takes to customize this section, and pretty much every section in Section Kit. Go check it out, links in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.